my channel. I am just coming today to give you a quick 5-minute tutorial on how I install my new Throwback ponytail. So this is a 2-piece set. It does come with 2 ponytails, and I'm just gonna show you how I get this super quick and easy look. So first, I already have my hair in 2 ponytails. So you'll wanna start with that. These are the ponytails, okay? And each ponytail is silk lined. In the inside, you'll see my XOXO ponytails tag. And then they each have a drawstring with a piece attached to wrap. So you'll first want to just go ahead and take your braid, and you don't have to have your hair in braids for this. If you want to just put it in a ponytail, 2 ponytails, so whatever makes you feel cute and confident. So you'll want to braise it all the way up to the base of your hair. And then I like to tighten my ponytail underneath. So underneath I like to tighten it underneath. That way the drawstring is underneath my ponytail. So you'll just want to squeeze the clamp and then tighten it to your liking. And this is how it's going to look. So then once it's tightened, you'll just need to wrap it. So this drawstring band wraps right around like this, and you'll keep wrapping until that's all the way around, and then you'll just kind of smooth your hair out and start wrapping it around. Now, you can use the Got To Be spray to wrap. So I'm not gonna use the Got To Be today, but you can use that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and neatly wrap the hair around just like this. And then once you get it all the way around, you can kind of smooth it. So once you get it all the way around, just take a bobby pin and then you can pin it in your hair. So I like to pin it in the same spot every single time. That way I remember when it's time to take my hair out. So this is how it's gonna look. Nice and smooth. Okay, so now you're gonna do the other side. That one's all done. So same thing, you're gonna take your braid, take your ponytail. It's silk on the inside, so that doesn't damage your hair. And you see the tag, and then you see the drawstring. So just go ahead and stick your braid into the hole and pull it up. And now you can just go ahead and take your drawstring and tighten just like that. And then you're gonna wrap it. So just go ahead and wrap it around. Okay, and then just keep wrapping it all the way around. Like this. And you'll want to make sure that that wrap is nice and smooth. And once you get the last little piece, got my bobby pin. You'll just want to pin it. And you're done. Let me know what y'all think. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.